Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Fortnite black screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first click here and then type startup apps and turn off all the applications that you don't need here, like Spotify and stuff like that, applications that you don't want it to start when you start your PC. And then go to Windows Update Settings. Once you're here, click check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you will find here, and that's it. After restarting your PC, click here and type task manager, and now maybe you'll find it like that. If you find it like that, click more details and then right click and end the applications that you don't need, applications like Google Chrome that takes your memory. And that's it. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.